Let's talk about BJ Wholesale Club. This stock has performed quite well compared to the rest of the stock market, and I have a bit of a funny story regarding this company and the way some people analyzed it. Well, I saw a post on Reddit back in 2020 about a person from America talking about how he saw that this warehouse was now listed on the stock exchange and that he wanted to invest in this because he had visited the store, he liked it, he thought it was nice, clean, cheap, you could buy it in bulk, it was well run, etc. All these valid points before going into the financials, comparing to some other supermarket chains, although a dip in revenue here for the latest quarter. We can see, alright, so net profit margin, a slight decrease as well, although it's typical for supermarkets to have very low profit margins and then relying on revenue. So revenue growth, lots and lots of revenue, you're selling everyday items, you have high capital turnover and low profit margins. This is a classic combination that we see in finance. If you have a lower capital turnover, you have big assets, well, then you tend to have higher profit margins as well, except for in the software exceptions. So once again, low profit margin, we see revenue increasing, and revenue increasing, and profit margins dipping slightly, then increasing, then dipping. There's been some turbulence regarding inflation around this, and the list pricing you can't really increase. So that's some of the things that we're seeing in the supermarket sector with this day-to-day goods. However, back to the story, back to the brilliant analysis of this company. I'm so happy for these guys now that they got into this company at the lows. In the comments, of the post, they were just commenting, about the ticker, BJ. A bunch of, maybe they were joking, maybe they were younger, but, commenting, oh, I love BJs too, I'm gonna buy this stock. So just because they thought the ticker was funny, they decided to pile in with their retail cash. And I think that that's just an excellent story regarding analyzing stocks. You can do all this due diligence, look at the business, look at the numbers, look at the region. I know there's a ton of theft in America now that's affecting profit margins in retail. So is it in a region with lower theft or higher, like one of the major cities? You can do all this due diligence, or you can be like the guys in the comment section on the Reddit post and just like the ticker and tag along and follow along, and then basically outperform the broader market as this stock has done in the past years. Still a relatively small cap stock, not even 10 billion American dollars yet. Plenty of room to grow if the business model continues to be viable and work well, and if it's scalable, and if they make the right decision regarding expansion and don't take on too much debt on their balance sheet. So quite an interesting story. You can like a ticker, invest and crush the market, or you can do a ton of due diligence and get the same results. It's quite the story. I hope you found it more entertaining with this video and some educational as well. Alright, that's been it for this video covering BJ Wholesale, talking a bit about the trends with the supermarket, looking at some numbers, and I just wanted to share this funny story regarding a stock analysis I saw of this company. Alright, that's been it, and as always, hope you guys make a ton of money, whatever investments you decide to make. Take care now. Bye bye.